Are you a woman who worries about what people think? Do you rehash conversations, wishing you said something differently or wondering if someone misunderstood you? Do you overthink everything, second guess yourself? Have you tried to think positively? Or maybe you've read self-help books. You get it intellectually, you know that it's not good for you to feel irritable and up and down emotionally, but you just can't seem to reach that feeling of peace and calm consistently. My name is Tracy Secombe. I'm a life coach and I've helped hundreds of women gain control over their emotions and feel calmer and happier so that they can enjoy better health, better relationships, and most of all, feel better about themselves. By the end of this challenge, you'll understand what your triggers are, causing you to feel aggravated, anxious, and often even bad about yourself. You'll know how to let them go and let your natural state of feeling calm flow through you in every area of your life. So please click on the button to register your interest in the 7-day Calmness Code Challenge and tell me why you would like me to choose you to participate. Remember, there are only 30 spaces in this challenge because of the time, the dedication and attention that I love to give everyone that I work with. If you're ready to do what it takes to shift from surviving to thriving, click on the button and let me help you to be who you are here to be.